Alright, so boom. Here play Call of Duty, drop him, I see one of them drop over there so far what they call that beacon. Fly up in the helicopter. Go over there. Catch him blood clot. Boom. So I'm look, next pussy start shoot after me. I say alright, fly up real quick. Go back down. Catch him blood clot, side chop him. Ping! You see what I try to do? Go up on top of prison because you know say everybody there on top of prison. Go up there, kind of fuck up a little bit when I fly, go up there, go after the one that we fly. And you see them two up on the side of fight. So I'm say alright, go over them here go. Boom, low chop, kill him for the next one. On there. Boom, chop him. Fly off again. So one next week I fly down, I start go off time. Boom. I'm lucky me not catch him in drop fast. Then I fly back up. So that one there come through. Boom. Chop him blood clot. I almost catch the next one. So I start chase after that one there. And get lucky. Helicopter click the thing. Boom, I'm dead. Get up back and thing. So it's alright. Helicopter me I go for. Pick it up real quick, get some boxes and thing. Okay, you know say some of them boy up on Call of Duty and can snipe you know so. You can't take no chances. Boom. Grab everything when I need me there, jump in at the heli. When I look, I see the cluster strike right there. So I say, alright, boom. Jump up on the far side of the map over there when I see them run like a while.
Prepare for airstrike.
Fly off, I want you now. Down. Reach up here. Nobody know up here. Only one you when me say, no man, me I go after that one. Fly too low but me not catching it. Pussy lucky. Fly back run. That one I jump off. Yeah, try to catch that one there. I'm lucky too, it is in there so jump in at the hole. And then it's that one I like him AFK. So I say alright, free kill, say no more. Me never know my teammate them are. The man them run out and dead, run out and dead. So I say alright, boom boom, collect all of them things. Pick it up real quick. But I go downstairs. And hear some gunshot down there. So right, that's boom. I go downstairs. Hear some gunshot down there. So you know, now what I go down there, so you know, I beat somebody blood clot when them come upstairs. So I go in the corner. Take out the two trusty pistol them and just wait. Wait for a boy if he come through and then when I pussy, where you run go? Come here. Pussy. Beat him blood clot, yes. And you hear some people downstairs after me beat him. Run go back upstairs. Come say alright. Come here, I stay here so. Them look me say, well I'm a teammate, them a fly go down the next slide over there. So I don't remember what over there son him. Come say boom. Jump up. Look down, I see that one them. I say alright, you me I go for now. Run down him blood clot. Him there shoot somebody. Whap. A kid boy, where I try though.